If your ID is equipped with a bicycle carrier preparation, you can use it to fit a bicycle carrier. Simply fold down the rear number plate and mount the ball head. Now you can fit the bicycle carrier. Important: it must have a number plate. The maximum load for the carrier system is 75 kilograms, including the additional load. So don't use it to pull a trailer or for heavier loads. After you have dismantled the carrier, remove the ball head and let the preparation disappear behind the number plate again.
Volkswagen.